Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Carfix. Back to the Subaru, the back plug. You might have a trouble changing the spark plugs in the back of this 2014 Subaru. I'll probably apply to all the Subarus, 13, 14, 15 with those same engines. And basically, the back spark plugs, if you use the 14 mil with the extension, be careful because if you put one of those ratchet in there, it might get jammed between the wall right here and the cylinder head. So I suggest what I do, I'll just the back ones. The front one there's no problem. As you see, the front one you have a lot of space. Look at the back ones, a lot less space. So if you put extension at 14 mil in here like that, it get jammed in here. That happened to me. I guess you can get 1 inch extension, 2 of them, connect them together. That might work. It might be a little bit shorter. That will work. The other options, just break it loose. Once you feel it loose, take the ratchet out. And what I did, I use vice grip like that. And I just used the vice grip a couple of times on the extension in the 14 mil. And basically, I'll show you what I mean with that. So basically, you'll have to put the socket first and then put the extension behind it right here. So basically, once I broke it loose and I know it's not as tight, so what I did is basically I used the vice grip to grab it from here and then just took it. Once it was loose enough, I was able to do it with my hand and I got it out. Now when I put the new one, guys, this type of hose here, I put it on the hose and I snug it all the way until it stopped moving. And then this is a fuel hose, by the way. And then what I did, then I went back in there and snug it with the ratchet and socket, and it was totally good. So that's an easy way to do it, you know, and you won't cross thread those things too. The cylinder heads will be definitely be a good way to do it. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll keep posting more tips as I'm doing this Subaru for everybody. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe.